long-winded, but I'll show you how you can perhaps make the best use of this tool. So what I've done is I've gone into Page Optimizer Pro. If we just go back to the start again, we'll go right from the top, and I'll tell you how it works. So we sign out, we log in. You can actually use this within Google Docs if it's easier. I've yet to kind of figure out how to do it. SEO Trends 2021. What I did is I go to New Project. You can take something that's the domain that will end up going on to ultimately is pearlemon.com as an example. Let's do it with a different site actually. Let's go to the Dolce Studio. The Dolce Studio. So that's partner Daniela's website. Let's go onto here. That's the website. We'll go next. It's going to take a little while to load, but Studio, go next. So we've got the here. We go to new page. We go to Express Setup. In here, we'll go to My Drive. We'll go to Shared with Me. We'll have a look at what we've got in here. General Home Decor, Top Trends, SEO. Search for Pilates. Here we go. What is Pilates? I don't know what keyword we're trying to focus upon here, but maybe pick something else. Cold email agency. Okay, fine. So we'll use that, but I just the only reason I'm confused, I'm trying to understand what the target keyword here is. But we'll go. What is Pilates, or is a target keyword Kensington Pilates instructor? So it's Pilates instructor West Kensington, I expect. So we'll grab that. So we'll go into here, Pilates instructor West Kensington. Okay, go next. English country will be London, because that's where the business is. Yeah, next. So we'll get competitors, and this bit's going to take a little while, so I just kind of go away and continue. So I'm going to pause the video now while I wait for this. So guys, back, and it's asking what page you want to optimize. We say I haven't built this page yet. We go give the page a name, go to next, and now it's going to, I think, start grabbing potentially competitors. So see what this does. So it's processing, may take up to 3 minutes. So again, pause while we wait. Okay, cool. So it's finished now, and now what we want to do is go to the app content editor. We'll go back into Drive, because I think I've managed to. So this is the Drive. We'll go to what is Pilates, Harry. Take a look here, and then we'll just run a quick comparison to take a look at what's going on. It's all in there. Click to start. It's going to load it now, and then we get content brief optimization scores. This is used around 5 subheadings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like we've got 7. Target content 1460, leave as is. Subheadings use around 5. So let's just have a look. If heading 2, heading 3, heading 3, heading 2. So you don't go from 2 to 3 ever. So it might not be picking it up because of that. That's potential. Heading 3, heading 2. Yeah, so there's inconsistent use of headings here. That's good. And heading 3 again, and that was heading 2. Yeah, so that's inconsistent. So that's the first thing. Let's keep going. So Pilates instructor West Kensington. Let's just have a look if that's been used. So it's not being used, and that's the target keyword, I presume. So that's for page titles. This is your title tag, typically called the meta. So that's actually a title tag that could be used rather. Subheadings, current use is 6. So it's within the subheadings. that would use the word Pilates. Appears to be used. I think that the key here is subheadings, main content. The key is to look at what how the keyword is being used. Add, the idea is recommendation, leave as is. Okay, so these two they think needs to change. Current bold, use up to 20. Italics, use up 653 images. Core, use between 1 and 31. So you could probably use 5 or 10 more images. Pages that we like to work. Related keywords. Okay, so we can incorporate these. Could get the AI to generate a question. So there are some use up to 20, tables 0, use up to 2, forms, links, use between 7 and 259. We don't want to use 259. Red means, I think, the worst, right? The green is good. Orange is okay, cool. So we are getting a sense of like a Pilates studio. Are we using the keyword Pilates studio in here? And looks like we're not. So so that's one way you can use it within here. We jump now into the same thing and see if we can use it within. Let's see if we can use it within this document, because I've downloaded the plugin. There's a plugin for it, and of course you guys will all have access to it. So let's click to start. So we've got a premium version of sign in here. Started there. A report limit. So I've signed into the wrong account. So presumably, now that we've signed in, I'm logged in. Let's go to my account. Pilates there. Confirm correct page run. So I think it's just about ultimately the website editor. So if we refresh page run list, we'll also get this information here. Now let's try this with a completely different page. Let's see what pages we've got set up in here. Pearl Lemon website content. Okay, so if we now go to Drive, we grab something different, which was I think the SEO trends piece I may have spoken about. Let's have a look. See if we can find it. Great, so it's in here. Do the same thing again. Click to start. So I'll give you guys a secret key, I think, that will mean that you won't need to log in. You can just do it from, so there's SEO trends. Confirm correct page run. Google Docs. Optimization score 0. Go check your work. Okay, increase your word count. Use around 11 subheadings. Subheadings with SEO in it. Yeah, we're not using SEO as a subheading. Main content, SEO trends 2021. Yeah, there's a lot of, and red is like must be used. Show more here. Titles, related keywords you could use, and questions that are worth answering in the content. So I think that I'll figure out the secret key thing, so you can use a secret key without logging in. But what we of course need to establish is, if we pick another SEO piece. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Let's just see if we can do this without having set it up in Page Optimizer Pro. give it a go. Just click to start. Let's try that. Keyword is obviously the wrong keyword, so I think we need to do it from the site by the looks of it. But anyway, that is how to use SEO Page Optimizer Pro in a nutshell. Hope that helps.